welcome back to the channel. I am Mark Vargas, and today I'm joined with none other than me. And today we're doing a mukbang.
Yeah, and we're gonna eat these tacos in there.
You wanna open
There's
it?
also limes in there.
All right, so we went to Burrito Loco's Tacos in.
Yeah, he went to local tacos.
Yeah, I think it's in Allen. I don't know if they call it Allen Park, but if you want to take a look here, get a close up on the tacos.
And the lime, ew.
So we've got one chorizo, 2 chicken, and 3 pork tacos. A mild and a hot salsa, and they got some limes, I got cilantro and onions and everything. So
Let's go eat the tacos.
Okay, hang on. Let's figure this out here. Which one's which? I don't think you're gonna like chorizo. All right. So the first one, this one looks like chicken. You want chicken?
I like chicken.
Okay. So Luke's gonna eat a chicken one. I'll eat a chicken one too. Okay. You want salsa? No?
Good.
He's good. Okay. So I've tried these.
I also hurt my spine. That I landed on my. I landed on my. I jumped and landed on my knees. Now my spine really hurts. These taste like mint. Tastes like
That's the
minty.
cilantro. Okay. So Burrito Locos. It's on. I'm sorry. What? Motolato? No. Burrito Loco. So on Tuesday they have dollar tacos. So you can get shredded chicken, shredded pork,
You can make them
or
feel on
chorizo.
your own. I don't like these tacos.
You haven't even tried one of them so far. Okay. So.
Bye. I don't like these tacos.
Okay.
Makes her feel bad for me because my back really hurts. Make sure it's your birthday. Bye. Tell me in the comments.
Make sure if it's your birthday, you let him know in the comments. Okay, so presentation wise, I'm gonna give them 6.5 out of 10. It's a little messy, but I mean it's kind of to be expected. So I like. It's got a good flavor to it. It's not too overpowering. The cilantro and the onions are good on it. The tortilla
it's a little soft. You see it's like they didn't cook it enough, I don't think.
Let me try. So go into another, find out what the world has under there. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try. This must be the pork. Alright, so, oh, that's good. That's a so find me. The pork is really good. The meat's tender. You can see the tortilla is even a little bit more toasted on this one. And they do layer their tortillas with too, which is good. I'm gonna try it with a little hot sauce. Yeah, tender meat, not really super overpowerful on the seasoning. crispy shell. I give that one a 9 out of 10. The chicken I give a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna try with a little bit of lime. Maybe that'll make it better. If I figure out how to eat. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try with a little lime. It's a little bit better. It brings it up to 8 maybe. Not bad. It'd be better if it was crispy though. Alright, I'm gonna try one more. I believe this is the chorizo. Oh yeah. Okay. Last time I tried it, I didn't like the chorizo. And I'm giving it a second chance today for you guys. So if it's not good, you'll know not to get it. It's crispy. The chorizo seems much more fresh than last time when I tried it. And it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 7 as well. I'm gonna try it just by itself. Yeah. Just what you would expect chorizo to taste like. So that's good. I hope everyone's having a great day. Burrito Locos is on Dearborn Road. Dollar tacos on Tuesday. I mean, for $1, it's a 10. But for Mexican tacos, I give them like between 7 and 9, depending. So I would go try them if I were you. I did mention that I was going to do a mukbang with their foods, so I don't know if they made them different for me or special, because last time they weren't as good. But yeah, I want to thank you for tuning in. I want to thank everybody for liking these videos, subscribing, and everything. And yeah, leave a comment. Other than that, we will see you guys tomorrow.